Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC in India. First, you need a reliable Android emulator. These are essential tools for running mobile games on your computer. Popular choices include GameLoop, which is officially supported, and BlueStacks, known for its wide game compatibility. Both provide a virtual Android environment, allowing you to install and play the game seamlessly. Choosing the right emulator sets the foundation for a great gaming experience. Before diving in, check your personal computer's specifications to ensure a smooth experience. You'll want at least 8 GB of RAM. 12 GB is even better for more demanding tasks. A processor equivalent to an Intel Core i3 or an AMD Ryzen 3 or higher is ideal. Also, confirm you have a dedicated graphics card with at least 2 GB of video memory. These components are crucial for preventing lag and enjoying the game fully. Once your emulator is installed, optimizing its settings is key for peak performance. Navigate to the settings menu and dedicate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 central processing unit cores to the emulator. Set the display resolution to 1092 by 1080 pixels, or even higher if your monitor supports it. Enabling high frames per second mode will make your gameplay feel incredibly smooth and responsive. These adjustments significantly enhance your experience. As a non-local candidate, which would include most students from Andhra Pradesh, you will compete for seats within the unreserved quota. This specific category typically reserves about 15% of the total available seats in various courses. These seats are open to all eligible candidates, ensuring a fair opportunity for those outside the local region. It represents a significant chance for non-local students to secure admission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.